Welcome to this tutorial on how to see your trade history on TradingView. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can easily access and analyze your trading performance. First, log into your TradingView account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the bottom of your screen where you will find the Trade panel. If you do not see this panel, you may need to open it by clicking on the Trading option from the main menu. This panel contains all the essential information regarding your trades, including your active positions and trade history. Next, locate the History tab within the Trade panel. Click on this tab to display your past trades. You'll see a detailed list of all your executed trades, including entry and exit prices, trade size, and the overall profit or loss from each trade. So take your time to review this information, as it can provide valuable insights into your trading strategy and performance. Finally, to enhance your analysis, consider exporting this data if available. Some users may prefer to analyze their trade history in a spreadsheet program. Check for any export options within the Trade panel. This way, you can conduct a more thorough assessment of your trades and make more informed decisions in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.